All right, so I will show you how to create a presentation deck just like this one in around 2 minutes with Fable 5. And the best part is you don't need a pro plan, you don't need a next plan, in fact, and you don't need to spend a lot of money on credits manually because this can be very, very expensive sometimes. And yeah, I will show you exactly how to do it right now. The first thing you should do is go to this website right here. And you can also directly see that it's powered by Claude Fable. What you want to do next is click on this button right here. And I'm currently logged in. If you are not logged in, create an account. It takes like 2 minutes and then you are all set. I've created this small document here with 10 slides about Steve Jobs. Of course, you can input whatever you like, your own content. You can upload documents, you can upload images. It doesn't matter. And I will just copy all this information and paste it right here. For the best results, I would recommend to turn off the web search because we already have a lot of content here. And I would put the summarizer to summarize slightly. Language is English. And then we just have to hit create slides. Now let's select one of the designs here. I will go with this one and I want to change some of the colors. So I can just do that right away here. I want it to be blue and maybe something like this here. And now all we have to do is click on it. The generation takes approximately 2 minutes. And while this is loading, you can comment slides in the comments and I will send you the exact instruction and links, everything you need for this tutorial. Okay, we can see some of the slides are already being created here. Here are the next ones. And now it's just a matter of seconds until everything is done. Okay, now the generation is done and we can see all our slides right here. I can click through them. Very, very nice visuals here. And when I want to change something, I can also do that by just speaking. So let's tap to speak. Change the Apple logo to a symbol with the tagline, think different. Okay, then a few seconds later, we can see that it's already editing our slide. And here we go. Return to Apple, think different with the Apple logo right here. And I can do that with everything, with text, with images, it doesn't matter. Yeah, that's really all. You can now download your presentation right here as a PDF. And that's how you can create a presentation with Fable 5 for a fraction of the cost of Fable 5 when you use it directly in Claude. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next one.